Right, all of these trees out here, except for these inner plants, these were just planted a month ago. But these were all planted in the spring of 2009, and this is spring of 2010. This is the first year growth of a almond, a nonpareil almond on Nemagard. And this one was fumigated. And so what you're going to see is density as you try to look through the tree. Even if it's a second year tree, there's a lot of canopy density in there, and height. There's height. Nice looking tree. That's what the growers used to, fumigation. The work we're doing is something we call starve and switch. Instead of fumigation, we are treating the old trees, 25-year-old peach trees, with Roundup, waiting a full year, and then replanting, in this case, Nemagard after Nemagard. What you'll see is they're not doing badly. There's still some height, but the density of the tree, you can see through the tree. It's not as much biomass in this one as there was in the Telone fumigated. There's also a little bit of a yellowing here. We don't over fertilize these trees, but you can see we didn't need to when we used the Telone. This is 13 trees away from the fumigated ones, and all planted at the same time, but this was not fumigated. And it also, we didn't go through the Roundup wait a year. This is what you get in the second year startup of the plant. Now you're seeing a stunting, you're still seeing the yellowing, and the density of the tree is gone. But there are no other soil pests and diseases here. This tree is going to take off and grow. And when it takes off, June of this year, maybe sooner, they're going to grow as if they've received a fumigation. The only problem is they're behind. And the third leaf, we want fruit, and this thing doesn't have enough roots to give you the fruit that you want. So add to that, if we happen to have a particular pest, from crown gall to Phytophthora to ring nematode to root lesion nematodes, all those have been working while this plant was sleeping. So there's going to be some damage here. Depending on how much of that's going on, I could come back in 10 years and these trees are still not growing very well. Or if those pests aren't very serious, they could be growing almost as well as that fumigated one. We just miss a year of yield.